Why does Brabus sell Mercedes-like cars with its own logo? Is that even legal? Stick around, because the truth will blow your mind. This is Brabus. And no, this isn't just another car company. It's a beast factory. Let's break it down. What is Brabus? I won't bore you with the backstory of when it was founded or how many dudes started it. Here's what you really need to know. Brabus is a high-performance tuning company from Germany, and they take luxury cars like Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, Porsche, and turn them into monsters. Want to turn a G-Wagon into a roaring beast? You can, as long as your bank account doesn't scream first. At Brabus, money equals transformation. But is it legal to slap their own badge on Mercedes cars? Yup, 100% legal. They're one of the top 5 tuning companies in the world, and every Brabus customized car comes with a contractual badge swap. Goodbye Mercedes logo, hello Brabus B. It's in the terms, and they don't just build customs, they build legends. Brabus drops limited edition machines like a 10-piece Maybach run a 100-piece G-Wagon. Even rare one-of-one builds. Each one gets a special name too. G-Wagon becomes Brabus 900-911, Brabus 820 Rolls-Royce Ghost, Brabus 700. Head to their site, and you'll see monsters like the Brabus Crawler, built for the desert, custom Range Rovers, and the wildest of all, Brabus Rocket 900 0-60 in 3.7 seconds, 900 horsepower, 1,250 Newton-meters torque, top speed, 174 miles per hour. Yeah, this ain't your average luxury. It's luxury with fangs. You can also create your own Brabus car by visiting their website. And guess what? It's all official. No shady garages, just premium Brabus engineering. So here's the deal. If you've got the cash, Brabus will build you the car of your dreams. If not, well, keep dreaming. Blown away yet? Hit like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, would you ever drive a Brabus beast? Until next time, drive safe, stay wild.